laundry. It's a chore, a hassle, something we all do and most of us dread. But what if it didn't have to feel like pulling teeth? Today we're diving deep into the world of laundry hacks and sharing 10 of the best-selling Amazon products that are going to completely change the way you think about washing your clothes. Let's be honest, life is messy, but laundry day doesn't have to be. Let's talk about Gain laundry detergent. Gain consistently ranks high in consumer reviews. It boasts a 4.7-star average from over 94,000 reviews on Amazon.
The secret is its powerful enzyme-based formula. Enzymes break down dirt and odors at a molecular level. They work wonders on everyday grime and stubborn stains.
Gain's original scent is fresh, clean, and recognizable. Its concentrated formula means you need less detergent per load. That's good for your wallet and the environment. Whether you're a fan or new to Gain, it's a solid choice. Let's be honest, stains happen. But before you resign yourself to a life of stained clothing, let me introduce you to your new secret weapon, Miss Mouth Stain Treater.
This spray stain remover is a true miracle worker. It has a 4.4-star average from over 43,000 reviews on Amazon. And believe me, it lives up to the hype. The magic lies in its powerful yet gentle formula. Miss Mouth's uses a blend of citric acid and glycerin to lift stains without harsh chemicals.
This stuff is tough on stains. To use it, simply spray it directly on the stain, blot it with a clean rag or towel, avoid rubbing, which can spread the stain, and then toss it in the wash as usual. Miss Mouth Stain Treater is a must-have for anyone who values their clothes and their sanity. It takes the stress out of stain removal so you can spend less time worrying about spills and more time enjoying life. Okay, let's talk about delicates. We all have those special items in our wardrobes, delicate lingerie, cozy sweaters, silky blouses, that need a little extra TLC in the laundry. That's where these much fun honeycomb mesh laundry bags come in.
These bags are a game changer for anyone who wants to protect their delicate garments from the harsh realities of the washing machine. No more snags, stretches, or tears. Just clean, protected clothes every time. This set comes with 3 zippered mesh bags in different sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for everything from bras and underwear to sweaters and even sneakers.
These bags are made from high-quality, tear-resistant mesh that can withstand countless wash cycles. They have a 4.7-star average from over 24,500 reviews on Amazon. People swear by them for keeping their delicates in tip-top shape. These mesh laundry bags are an essential investment for anyone who wants to keep their clothes looking their best.
Sometimes you just want convenience. We're all busy, and sometimes measuring out detergent feels like just another thing to add to the to-do list.
That's where Tide Pods come in. They're pre-portioned and ready to toss in the wash. These little pods are the #1 best-selling laundry detergent on Amazon, and for good reason.
They have a 4.8-star average from over 132,000 reviews on Amazon, which is a serious testament to their effectiveness.
What sets Tide Pods apart is their 3-in-1 formula. Each pod contains concentrated detergent, a stain remover, and color protector, so you're getting a complete laundry solution in one tiny package.
These pods leave your clothes smelling fresh and clean, just like you'd expect from Tide.
They work equally well in all water temperatures and are compatible with both standard and high-efficiency washing machines. If you're looking for a convenient, effective, and great-smelling laundry solution, Tide Pods are a no-brainer.
For those of you with sensitive skin, finding the right laundry detergent can feel like an endless quest.
But don't despair, there's a solution. Molly's Suds Original Laundry Detergent. This best-selling powder laundry detergent has a cult following on Amazon, and for good reason.
It has a 4.6-star average from over 13,000 reviews, with countless customers raving about its gentle yet effective formula. What sets Molly's Suds apart is its commitment to pure, plant-derived ingredients.
This powder is free of artificial fragrance, chlorine bleach, dyes, and brighteners, all the things that can irritate sensitive skin.
Molly's Suds is tough on dirt and stains. It's formulated with natural cleaning agents that effectively lift away grime and leave your clothes sparkling clean.
Plus, it's hypoallergenic and safe for even the most sensitive skin, including babies and those with eczema or allergies. If you're looking for a gentle, effective, and eco-friendly laundry detergent that won't irritate your sensitive skin, look no further than Molly's Suds.
Let's talk about those stubborn odors that just don't seem to go away.
Fear no more because OxiClean odor blasters are here to save the day. It's made up of oxygen bleach, a powerful stain remover that works wonders. This product has a 4.7-star average from over 25,000 reviews on Amazon.
The key to OxiClean's power lies in its oxygen-based formula. When activated by water, OxiClean releases oxygen bubbles that penetrate deep into fabric fibers.
Simply add 1 scoop to your wash cycle along with your regular detergent. OxiClean odor blasters are a must-have for fresh, clean laundry. We've all been there. You're out and about enjoying your day when disaster strikes. A spilled cup of coffee, a splash of red wine, a rogue drop of ketchup, whatever the culprit, you're now sporting a stain on your clothes.
But before you panic, reach for your purse or pocket and grab a Tide-to-Go stain remover pen. These little pens are a lifesaver for those on-the-go stain emergencies.
They're small enough to fit in your purse, pocket, or even your wallet, so you can be prepared for anything.
Tide-to-Go pens work by using a special formula that breaks down stains and lifts them away from fabric fibers.
To use Tide to Go, simply blot away any excess liquid from the stain, then press the pen tip onto the stain and rub gently.
Once you've treated the stain, blot the area with a clean, damp cloth to remove any residue. They're a must-have for anyone who values their clothes and wants to be prepared for anything.
Let's be honest, dryer sheets can be wasteful. If you're looking for a more sustainable and effective way to soften your clothes and reduce static cling, look no further than handy laundry wool dryer balls.
These wool balls are a natural alternative to dryer sheets and have gained a cult following among eco-conscious consumers. They have a 4.6-star average from over 71,000 reviews on Amazon, with countless customers praising their effectiveness and environmental friendliness.
As the dryer tumbles, the wool balls bounce around, lifting and separating laundry.
Plus, the wool fibers naturally soften fabrics, reducing static cling and leaving your clothes feeling soft and fluffy. Handy laundry wool dryer balls are made from 100% premium New Zealand wool, which is naturally hypoallergenic and gentle on sensitive skin.
They're also chemical-free and fragrance-free, making them a great option for those with allergies or sensitivities. A set of wool dryer balls can last for hundreds of loads, so you'll save money on dryer sheets in the long run. Sometimes you just can't beat the old-fashioned way of air-drying clothes. Whether you have delicates that can't handle the heat of the dryer or you're simply looking for a more energy-efficient way to dry your clothes, a good drying rack is a must-have. And the Amazon Basics foldable laundry rack is a top contender.
This top-selling laundry rack on Amazon has a 4.7-star average from over 57,000 reviews, and for good reason.
The Amazon Basics foldable laundry rack is made from durable steel and can support up to 32 pounds of laundry. It features 11 drying bars, providing ample space for everything from shirts and pants to towels and delicates.
The rack also features 2 side wings that can be folded down when not in use, making it compact enough to store in a closet or behind a door.
Plus, it's great for small spaces as it folds down compactly when not in use. The Amazon Basics foldable laundry rack is a simple yet effective solution for anyone looking for a reliable and convenient way to air dry their clothes. Let's face it, laundry will always be a chore, but it doesn't have to feel like a monumental task. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can streamline your laundry routine and make it feel less overwhelming. Here are a few expert tips to make laundry day a little bit easier.
1. Have your supplies ready. Keep all your laundry essentials, detergent, stain remover, dryer balls, etc. in one designated spot.
2. Don't let laundry pile up. Try doing a load or two every few days to prevent a laundry avalanche.
3. Mix it up sometimes. If you're short on time or just don't have a full load of one type of laundry, it's perfectly fine to wash similar colors and fabrics together.
4. Embrace the power of pre-treating. Pre-treating stains is key to getting clothes truly clean. And there you have it. 10 best-selling Amazon products that will transform your laundry routine from a dreaded chore into a manageable task. With these top-rated items, you can tackle stains, protect your delicates, and simplify your laundry process. Don't forget to check the links in the description to